Hey guys, welcome to another interesting episode of Wonder Cooking Show. And this is a new location for the new video. Please stay tuned, we'll tell you the location details as well as we'll show you a beautiful recipe which is much more interesting. I hope you all are doing great and being at home, and we are also in our native place, and this is my village and these are my fields. So for the next few more videos I'll be at home and I'm taking videos in my fields itself. So today's video we are gonna cook bamboo chicken. In bamboo sticks we are gonna cook beautiful chicken which is tender and tasty, and that is without oil. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. For bamboo chicken we need small cut chicken pieces, and boneless chicken will be good. As you can see, we are using simple ingredients. We are not using any masalas because that will be dominating bamboo flavor, which is the main ingredient for this recipe. So in order to avoid that, we are using simple ingredients to give a flavor to the chicken. And we are not using oil in this recipe because chicken will be cooking in bamboo water which will be oozing out of those sticks, and that will give a lot of flavor to the chicken, and oil is not at all needed. As you can see, once we are done with filling up the chicken in the bamboo sticks, we need to close the openings of those two vents by any of the leaves, and banana leaves are most preferred because that will give a good flavor to the chicken. Close the vents properly so that no steam is escaped out of it. Once we are done with the filling, we need to cook it on the flame. Based upon the thickness of that sticks, we need to cook it. If it is in medium size, cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. If it is a big stick, cook it for 30 to 35 minutes. That would be enough. And as I was saying, we are shooting this video in our village, which is about 60 kilometers from Hyderabad. It would be good in monsoon if you want to visit. We have a river which usually flows in monsoon times. If you want to come in, I'll leave the link in the description. So as you can see, this is our final output, guys. These are the bamboo chicken pieces what we done now. Let's know how the taste is, and before that let's see how it is cooked. As you can see how tenderly it is cooked. So let's taste it and know the taste, how it is actually made. Come on.
Super, fantastic.
So that's all for now, guys. Stay home, stay safe, help the one who's in need around you. That's all we can do in this situation. If you like our videos, please subscribe to Wonder Cooking Show, and please share our videos with your friends. That will encourage us to go to new locations and shoot new recipe videos. We'll join you with another recipe in another new beautiful location. Till then, please stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.